Okay, now let's analyze the notes. Okay, now when playing a worship song, you must understand two things. Number one, like I always say, you work with your drummer. Work with your drummer. Number one. Then number two, work with a band. You are working with a band. You're not playing alone. If you notice, this is a practical worship section. So it's not a solo workshop where we want to just explore everything. No. It's not noise making. This is knowing where to explore your arpeggios, knowing where to put your scales, knowing when to come in as a bassist. Because the truth of the matter is you are not a guitarist. Your job is not to create feels inside the music. Your job is to fill up the low end of the song. But however, a bassist is supposed to be spontaneous. You should know when to come in. You should know when to put your scales. You know when to take them out. That's one. I'm going to analyze some of the notes I played. There are places where you should put your arpeggios. They will just mean a lot in the music. It will draw attention. It will make the music more spontaneous. It will create that melody that you need. There are sometimes we unnecessarily play some scales at the wrong places when we are not supposed to do that. So number one, we have to put your scale. Number one, you have to notice where the music is a bit quiet. Then you move into explore. Especially when you are working with a complete band, you have to be more careful. When you have a guitarist, you have a saxophonist, those two instruments are solo instruments. They are fills. They create fills in the music. So by the time you two start to create your own fills, you start making a lot of noise in the song. So in this kind of song, we give you all the glory, honor by Israel Houghton. It's simple. At this point, this is the point where you can put your arpeggios and it will make more sense. You understand? Other than just all those are rough playing. You understand? So we give you. So you should know when to come in. Number two, you must also know how to embellish the scale. By the time you play your scales, you must not devise means on how to take them back into the progression smoothly. That is where you know a professional from just a zealous bassist. You know there are some bassists that are skillful, but they are not professional. So to be skillful is another dimension. Now to be experienced is another dimension in music, in bass playing. Your experience is geared towards your exposure, the kind of people you have worked with over the years. So then, okay, there's a scale I played. Let me just analyze it. I played. So what did I play? Fa mi re do ti re so re mi so do so la ti so mi re so re mi la so do so la. So you just embellish it. For example, now, watch. Let's go. I land back, Olade. Re, mi, re, do. So sometimes trying to relate the progression sometimes is another key move in your worship songs. But sometimes you have to work, as I say, work with the band, especially the pianist. So this part where I landed on La, it can move even if the keyboard is still moving because it's a suspended chord. So it's allowed at this point. So when I play La, the keyboard is supposed to be at Sol now, but I was still at La, so I suspended that chord. Then, so instead of Fa, I played Re. That was to relate the chord. But at this point, the pianist has to know that I'm moving towards the Re, so that he has to prepare and follow me. He too will just relate his own end. And you play a seamless and a very good music. Other than just running on your own. That's not a professional way to play the bass guitar. All right, I will stop here now. Okay, like I said before, there's a tutorial class I'm putting together and the price is very, very affordable. It's going to be on my subscription pack. I will come live where me and my students or my learners or thereabouts, both for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, you get to ask me questions real time. My tutorial classes are for people that wants to learn real time. I don't like this WhatsApp training. It's not efficient. But that life is limited to my subscribers only. You have to pay a token monthly. I will put it there. I'm trying to figure it out. I'm trying to set it so that you don't have to figure the way to do your transfer wherever you are around the country. You just pay for your subscription wherever you are. It's going to be in your currency. So when I come live, only my subscribers will get that pack or that package where we can ask questions real time. Ask me anything base related. I will answer you there. It's a practical class. There's no need for all those plenty theories. Go home and read your theory. Come for practicals. But notwithstanding, if you have a theoretical problem, you can still ask. I will answer them. All right. I'll come back again. God bless you. I'll see you around. Thank you.